In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add songs to my Spotify playlist. We will walk through this on Android, iPhone, and computer so you can follow along on whatever you use. First, open the Spotify app or visit the Spotify web player on your computer. On mobile, you will see the familiar dark home screen with Home, Search, and your library at the bottom. On a computer, you will see Home, Search, and your library listed on the left side. Make sure you are logged into the account that actually owns the playlists you want to edit, so the changes show up everywhere you listen. Next, search for the song, album, or artist you want to add. On your phone, tap the search button, then type the name into the big search bar at the top. On a computer, use the search option on the left, then click in the search box and start typing. As you type, Spotify updates the results in real time, so you usually do not need to type the full name to find what you want. Once you see the song you want, select the three-dot menu next to the song. On a phone, the three dots usually appear on the right side of the song title in the list. On a computer, move your mouse over the song, and the three dots will appear so you can click them. Beginners often tap the song title itself and start playing it, so if that happens, just pause it and try again on the three dots. From there, choose Add to Playlist. A small menu opens with several options like Add to Queue and Go to Album. Look for the option that clearly says Add to Playlist and tap or click it. This tells Spotify you want to place that specific track into one of your existing playlists rather than starting a new one. Now select the playlist you want to add the song to. On mobile, you will see a scrollable list of your playlists with their cover images. On a computer, a similar list pops up in a small window. Tap or click the playlist name, for example your workout mix or your study list, to target exactly where the song will go. You cannot select more than one playlist at the same time here, so repeat later if you want it in multiple playlists. The song is added immediately. You will usually see a brief confirmation at the bottom of the screen, and the playlist updates right away. If you open that playlist, the new track appears either at the bottom or in whatever default order that playlist uses. Method 2 works while viewing a playlist. Open the playlist you want to edit. On mobile, you can find it under Your Library, then Playlists. When the playlist opens, you will see the title at the top and the current list of songs below, with a big play button near the top area. On that playlist screen, tap Add or Add to this playlist. Spotify might show this as a big button or a small line of text under the title, depending on your app version. Tapping it opens a new screen focused on adding more music into this specific playlist, so you do not have to leave and search separately. After that, browse the recommended songs or search for a specific song. Spotify usually shows a list of suggested tracks that match the style of your playlist, which is handy when you are building a mood. You can also use the search bar on this screen to look up any song, album, or artist without going back. Finally, tap Add or the plus button next to the song to add it to your playlist. As soon as you tap, the button usually changes and the track slides into your playlist instantly. You can tap Add on several songs in a row to build out the playlist quickly without closing this view. You have now learned 2 easy ways to add songs to any Spotify playlist on your phone or computer, so your playlists stay fresh and personal. If this helped you get your playlist sorted, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Spotify tips.